I live in the island of Boracay in year 2005 to 2006. The nightlife in Boracay, you cannot escape the prying eyes of those around you. But don't worry, everyone there believes what happens in Boracay stays in Boracay. When you leave the island, you leave everything there. When you cross the sea, you become a new person. Guys, dito kami ngayon guys sa The Mall. Yan, The Mall. Tumira ako dito guys sa The Mall 2005 to 2006. Wala ko nga, retired na ako nun. I was just in my 30s, 35. Look, oh, nice toys. Ito, toy store pa rin to. Dating toy store na. Matagal ng toy store yun, guys. Toy store pa rin. Dati may mga surfing for sale dito. Mga surfing na items. Dami ng tao ngayon, guys. Masikip na. Dati medyo maluwag pa to eh. Dati mababa lang to. Lunch box. Tapos may mga stall dito.
Hello sir, mga DJI. Sa 360 star.
Puntahan ko guys yung bahay ko dati. Ibang-iba na ngayon dito guys. Oh guys, ito pa rin yung habits. So yan pa rin yung habits. Yan na yung nano. Ito guys, yan pa rin yung habits. Ito guys, may-ari niyan. Ano eh, may-ari nitong Japanese restaurant to guys, si Elizalde. Ayan o. Look, oh. Oops, don't touch. Yo.
Kulin.
Nasal. Si Micah. Ito na. Ito, unbox pa rin yan, no? Say hi. You will eat yummy pancit. Liam, stop na playing that. You will eat yummy pancit. Liam, you will eat yummy pancit or yummy fish?
I'm Jack Snake. Girl.
What?
I'm Poppy.
Okay. Okay. That's chow guys. Chow time.
Ayun na plate nyo.
Okay. Me. Guys, this is nightlife in Boracay. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Dennis Elizalde, architect builder. Guys, I will tour you around Boracay. Ito nga pala guys, dati swamp lang yan. Naging ano na, naging malaking pond na siya. Or lake na siya halos.
Lagoon yung tawag nila.
Or lagoon. Pero dati guys, swamp lang yan. Walang structure dyan, anything before. I lived here in Boracay for about a year, and then with my kids, and then I worked again in Makati. 2005-2006 I stayed here. 2006 I left. 2007 or 2008 I came back to revisit, have a tour. And then after that, I didn't come back to Boracay anymore. So that was like how many years now? 2020, 13 years, 14 years, 15 years almost. So ganun na katagal guys. So many things have changed. Guys, yung massage parlor behind me, ang massage is double the price in Manila. 1,000 pesos body massage. Okay, pero glass naman siya, kaya walang hanky-panky din siguro. Glass siya, kita loob, transparent. Yung foot massage niya 800, body massage niya 1,000. Dito ka na sa body massage, diba? The Mall. Ito guys yung sikat na The Mall. Diyan ako tumira noon guys, sa The Mall. Yung pinaka last na stall ng The Mall, pinaka dulong-dulo nila. Doon ako nakatira noon. Yan, let's have a tour with my wife.
Grab and grab.
Saan tayo mag nightlife?
Sa beachfront sana eh, kaso...
Na naman, sa Epic na naman, sawan-sawa na ako roon.
Eh, din ang masarap tumambay.
Matagal na yung Epic na yun. 20 years na yung Epic.
Not Epic, yung iba, sa iba naman. Epic.
Okay.
Epic ka ng Epic.
Epic na tayo dyan masyado. Hindi na tayo ikot doon. Guys, there's a line here going inside Epic. Hindi na lang ang tao.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Don't run! What a nice view. Jacuzzi. Guys, we're going to have dinner outside. Ibang-iba na ngayon dito, guys. Oh guys, ito pa rin yung habit. So yan pa rin yung habit. Yan na yung nano. Ito guys, yan pa rin yung habit. Ito guys, may-ari niyan. Ano eh, may-ari nitong Japanese restaurant ito guys, si Elizalde. Ayan o. Oh. Look, oh. Oops, don't touch. Let's go.
Kulin.
Nasal.
Kulin.
Si Micah. Ito na. Ito, unbox pa rin yan, oh.